Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to fix the Roblox app from crashing. This goes for your iPhone and your iPad. As you can see right here, this is the Roblox application. The first thing you want to do is open up your Play Store or even your App Store. Now make sure you look for Roblox, and if it says update on this option right there, or button, that means your application is out of date. Simply update it and that might fix your problem. Alright, next up, go to settings right here, clicking on that settings and looking for general. So looking right there, there should be a one that says background app refresh. Now if you have this enabled or turned off, meaning your Roblox might not work on the background. So make sure that this is turned on and make sure that on the Roblox, this one right there, just look for it. Make sure that is also turned on. Alright? Now if the problem still persists, you want to go on another direction here. So go under settings again, go back, and look for the one that says iPhone storage. Should be under original or general again. Click iPhone storage for this one. And what you want to do here is look for the one that says, of course, Roblox. So if you cannot find it here, it might be under hidden application. Or basically, go back and show all. Look for the one that says Roblox here. There we have it. And basically, offload the application first. After offloading, delete the application and reinstall it. And I'm sure by that time, you will now have your Roblox fixed. Now, if the problem still persists for some reason, you can basically shut down your iPhone and restart it from the beginning. You can just delete your cache, delete your network settings, and the works. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.